Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Aquarius placements. This is your short love reading. This is timeless. Yes. Okay. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading and sa atin pong mga items, okay yan. Just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. So, let's start the reading agad-agad, mga Aquarius. Let's see. Okay, who is the person on your mind? Sino ba yan? Anong meron sa kanya? Tingnan natin. Who is this person? Aqua. Who is this? The Three of Pentacles. Some of you, pwedeng nakakasama mo to sa isang environment, pwedeng nakatrabaho mo, pwedeng kaklase mo, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? The Hangman in reversed. Mahirap na magkaroon ng pagkakasunduan. Hindi ko alam. Mahirap makita ang intention. Anyway. So, pwedeng Pisces, Earth sign, and Pisces. Gusto mo ng kooperasyon pagdating sa kanya. Aqua. Gusto mo ng kooperasyon, or maybe siya gusto niya ng kooperasyon with you. Some of them, meron silang hinihintay sa'yo. Maybe your cooperation or pag-oo. Parang ganyan. Okay ba sa'yo to, Aqua? Parang ganyan. Yung iba, ang nakikita ko ito specifically, pwedeng nag-resign ito sa kanyang pinagtatrabahuhan. Or pwedeng kababalik lang sa work. Okay? Anyway, that's specific, hindi para sa lahat. So, tingnan natin. Anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon? Aqua. The Empress. Okay. What's with that Empress? The King of Swords. Somebody is analyzing. Yung sitwasyon. Kung fixable. Workable, diba? Parang ganyan. Kung pwede pa ba yung sitwasyon, mafi-fix pa ba? Parang ganyan. Somebody is planning or making, sabihin nating analyzations. Parang nag-i-evaluate, parang ganyan. Pwede pa ba to? Tong aming to, parang ganyan. Yeah, there's this somebody na pwedeng interested pa rin kasi, no? Dito sa sitwasyon na to. Yeah, see the Seven of Cups. May mga plano, may mga gustong gawin. Sabihin natin there's this plan A, B, C, D, E, F, G, up to Z. Parang ganon. No? Para mas maging okay. Kung ano man ang mga kailangan maging okay. Some of you, meron ditong parang nagre-ready talaga kasi somebody, sabihin nating nakaka-overwhelm or I think nakaka-intimidate. Yeah, meron ditong nakaka-intimidate, nakakatakot basta lapitan, nakakatakot basta i-approach, something like that. Okay? Pwedeng Taurus, Virgo, Libra. We have here Aqua, a fellow Aqua. Parang meron ditong inaaral or meron kayong kailangang aralin pagdating sa sitwasyon. Okay? Magkakasundo kaya kami? Parang ganun. Magiging okay kaya ito? Dati isa lang yung aming intention dito para maging okay. Parang ganyan. Para magkaroon ng progress. Kasi wala yung wala yung kooperasyon nga, no, sa inyo nung tao. So, kailangan dapat magkadugtong-dugtong yung mga gusto ninyo. Kasi kung hindi, talagang watak-watak. No? O, asahan nyo na yun. Okay? Diba dyan, naiinis kapag ano, nag-reading ako tapos tatawa. Nanonood ka na lang ha. Oo, nanonood ka na lang, magrereklamo ka pa. O, diba? So, ano ba ang emosyon? Anong emosyon nitong taong to for you, Aqua? The Page of Pentacles in reversed. Okay. And the Knight of Swords. Ay! Getting ready. They're like planning. Getting ready. Meron ditong mababago na. Opo, may mga mababago na dito. Five of Pentacles. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Sabihin natin, yung mga gagawin, itong taong to may mga gustong gawin, okay? Gusto kong kausapin. Yung gagawin niya, it's like, paglabas sa kanyang comfort zone. Napaka-unusual or sabihin natin, ibang-iba. Okay? Hindi pa niya to siguro nagawa noon. Kaya, pagdating sa sarili niya, nakakatakot to. Hindi to familiar sa akin kung ano man. Okay? Something like that. Ganoon yung naramdaman niya ngayon. Kailangan kong gumawa ng plano patungo kay Aqua. Kahit sabihin kung hindi ko pa to nasusubok noon, lalabas ako sa comfort zone ko na ito eh. Parang ganyan. Pero yes, this is kailangan. Okay? Ganon yung emosyon ngayon. Ganon yung nararamdaman niya ngayon pagdating sa'yo, Aqua. Yeah. Diba? So, tingnan natin. Ano ba yun? What is their next action aside sa gusto ka niya kausapin? Two of Pentacles in reversed. Prioritizing. Wow. English. Ano yung Two of Pentacles in reversed? The High Priestess. Focusing. Magfo-focus sa'yo. Yeah, itong tao. Okay? Kikilalanin ka pa. I don't know kung itong taong ito is bago. Yes. Gusto kasi nito na magkaroon kayo ng magandang connection eh. Whether maybe luma or bago man. Gusto ng taong to parang lalo kayong magkakilanlan. Okay? Malaman pa talaga kung anong meron sa'yo. They want to dig you deeper. Diba? Opo, no. Dig you deeper. Deeper. Tingnan natin. What's the outcome? What is the outcome? They're being curious. Nag-curious sila. The Nine of Swords in reversed. So, mawawala dito yung sabihin nating tension, stress. Why? The Ace of Cups in reversed. The Wheel of Fortune again. And the Chariot. Yeah, this is making a move. Nine of Swords in reverse, Ace of Cups in reverse. So, parang ilalagay na dito yung emosyon eh. Kahit yung sabihin nating hindi totally ipinapakita or sinasabi, andun yung dama. Ipapadama ng taong to. No? Na they're open pagdating sa'yo. Di ikaw na, Aqua. Parang kakaiba tong reading na to ngayon Kakaiba, di ba? King of Pentacles in reverse, Ace of Swords in reverse. Some of them talagang hindi nila kaya getting out of their comfort zone for you. Yes. Di ba? Yeah, the Sun. Mayroon silang mga i-reveal. Okay? Itong taong to, gusto ka lagi niyang nakikita, gusto ka lagi nakakausap. Parang para siyang namamagnet sa'yo, like that. Alam mo yun? Every time alam mo yun, parang kapag hindi ka naaarawan ng ilang araw. Ganun yung pakiramdam, parang nakakatamlay. Parang ganun eh. So, gagawa siya ng hakbang patungo sa'yo. Sabi ko nga, whether past man to or new. Pero mas malakas yung energy about new person dito because they are curious. Curious, nandun yung wala sila talaga idea, like you're a big question mark for them. So, yes. Okay? So, this is nice daw. May bago na namang love story na sana na mabuo, diba? Anyway, so tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Let's see. Okay, like, sundan natin, abangan natin yung susunod na kabanata. O, diba? Ng mga aqua, ayus-ayusin ninyo. Huwag naman kayong magsupladot, magsuplada, ha? Oo. Kapag kayo ay kinakausap, ngitian nyo naman kahit konti, ha? Oo. Huwag nyo ismidan. Okay? Tingnan natin. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries. They want to invest. They're like, some of you, they're waiting for you. Taurus, they're stuck. They're in their head. Curious. Gemini, they won't leave. Yeah, they won't. Cancer, they need you. Feeling the, sabihin nating, coldness maybe of the separation. They want to go back. They want to return. Parang ganyan. Leo, feeling the unfinished business. Yeah. Virgo, torned. Diba? Torn between two lovers. Feeling like a fool. Diba? Ganun yung nararamdaman ko dito kay Virgo. They're torned. Yeah. Don't know kung anong pipiliin. Nasa na tayo? Distortion, like Cancer, Leo, Virgo. Libra. No. Sabihin natin, some of them, hindi sila totally healed. May mga binabalik-balikan pa rin to si Libra. Scorpio, they are attracted. Yeah, they like you. They like your energy. Yeah, they need you. They like you. They want you physically. They are attracted in general. Some of them, andyan yung parang self-centered. May pagka-self-centered itong sa Scorpio. Sagittarius, they want to communicate. Some of them, they're just waiting for a reply, maybe. Capricorn, they're unhappy, feeling incomplete. Aqua, there's this trust issues with this Aqua. Some of them, they will guard down. They will. Pisces, may mga kailangan i-fix dito with Pisces. Okay, the star in reversed. May mga kailangan i-fix, may mga kailangan pag-usapan at gawan ng action. Yung iba sa inyo, legal. Okay, legalizations, kung ano man. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Aquarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And syempre, opo, yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter, nasa description box below. Pakihanap na lang po, no? So, yeah. Again, thank you. Goodbye.